Well, it is so hard to hit that record button. But yeah, this microphone finally charged. Can't wait for Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be real cool. Man. They made fun of me for not being, not them, never mind. Bad comment, people. Record video. We're really doing this. What's up, Chris? Hey, I see you. See, how come I can see and then it won't let me see comments? Oh, there's a comment button. Oh, that's so I can comment. I don't know why it's so hard to hit record. Oh, yes. Welcome, Chili Heads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Omelet 24/7. And today, we have another challenge by Miller's Savory Challenges. He is a vendor for the Heat Feasters. As y'all could tell, because we are live only on Heat Feasters. Said I got an upgrade coming Wednesday. So, yeah. It's about to get real cool here. Oh, that was almost bad, but it is still sealed. Oh, yeah. There we go. I like this big view. Man, that's so awesome. You got a cool business card, dude. Got a couple of them. Yes, we got a hot chip and then a big one, so that's probably the real one. Don't drop it. Alright, that's what's cool with the mic. I can get all the way back here too. So, spicy food challenge waiver reminder. I, Omelet, hereby acknowledge and agree and have signed a waiver releasing all and any vendor, Miller's Savory Challenges, of any responsibility if there is to be any kind of negative reaction, physically or mentally, for willingly partaking in any Heat Feasters challenges. You have decided to participate in this spicy food challenge and have agreed to take full responsibility for yourself. I do. The Whole Shebang Spicy 3-Chip Challenge. Challenge is worth 7 points. Super Spicy Bonus Chip is worth 7 points. Possible points total is 14. There's 3 spicy chips. 1 super spicy bonus chip. The rules. Challenge must remain on camera at all times. Eat all 3 chips within 2 minutes, then 3-minute afterburn. Bonus chip is optional and is to be consumed right after 3-minute afterburn ends. Eat bonus chip and then do a 5-minute afterburn. Warning, consume at your own risk. You have been warned. Do not consume if you are pregnant, have food allergies, or are allergic to peppers and or capsaicin. Please do not take risks if you have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. If you experience any complications, please seek medical attention. Gloves are suggested but optional. Do not touch eyes or private parts. You will regret it, I promise. Again, consume at your own risk and enjoy the ride. Let's go. Yeah. All right. So, 2 minutes, so we'll just do a counter, and then I got till 3 within 2 minutes, then 3-minute afterburn. Yeah, we'll do that. So I guess this is the 3 chips because it's the big bag. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching, Chris. Helping me with the jitters. I got coffee, dude. I don't know what I was thinking with eating coffee. Sorry. I wanted to be awake. That is so coded. Get my ugly mug out of the way. Cheers. Oh, sheesh. Mm-hmm. That tastes good. Excuse me. Okay, we'll let that go down. Ooh. That tastes real good. You're going to taste there's chili powder. And it kind of tastes like barbecue-y. All right, this is a 3-minute afterburn, and then we'll eat the chip, the bonus chip, and then a 5-minute afterburn. This is a level 2 challenge. That's why it's 7 points. It tastes so good. I was going to say I wouldn't mind a bag of those, but I don't think I could eat a bag. Shoot. I'm starting to drool. Forgive me for being silent. I guess I'll talk about Wednesday. Yeah, it's gonna make it's gonna make the garden look good and everything. Can't wait. And it's all thanks to the donations and all y'all. So yes, thank you for watching. And y'all, I'll do a kind of like a TV episode of this on the recording one and put all the links to get y'all to get these challenges. That'd be cool if we can get some local people. There's this Brad guy that knows Roger. He works down at the water treatment plant. That'd be cool to get in there. Wonder what's maybe the slow connections every time someone comments. Wow, I just left Earth for a second. Good thing the timer's there. I was like, man, did I miss the bonus round? It's really just on the tip of the tongue. It's a burner for a level 2. My nose is about to start dripping and I'm drooling. So for heat wise and it tastes good, that's good. That on some jerky would be awesome. The Whole Shebang 3 jerky challenge. Oh man. If this is broke, I just broke it. So all 3 of mine were intact. I just heard it click. I think y'all might have heard it click too. It was like, huh. Well, write in the comments. I can't see them now, but bring them on. Like next time you're watching, Chris, do you mind coming on so it's not boring when I'm not yapping? I don't really know what to say. Besides my garden, I love my garden. Okay, here's the bonus chip. And then it'll be a 5-minute afterburn. Immediately after. Yeah, I broke it. My bad, dude. So yeah, you did a good job on shipping. I'm drilling. That one don't taste very good. Oh, now my nose is really dripping. Try not to be nasty for y'all. No one wants their nose blown into, or their ears blown in. No, forgive me. That definitely gets, it's sparking like a little bit of endorphins. I feel at ease, so I think that's the endorphins. Yeah, and the time morphine. Hasn't even been a minute. Whoa. Now I'm starting to feel warm around the lips. In the back of the throat. It's kind of like weird. It's like a ball in my mouth that's not hot. It's just that it's hot. Wow. Hold on. My mouth is drooling bad now. Minute 20. Glad the fireworks stopped because they were scaring Gracie. She was getting all lovey-dovey on the screen. Please protect me. Oh, sorry. Might as well see the burn, right? Man, this is so cool. Place to burn. Like-minded people. Like I said, around here, I don't have a whole lot of people that like burning. I'm about to try to change that. Wow. It's definitely a good burn. Oh, yeah. I do have a package from Ink Gardener. It is the Ed Curry challenge bar. And the infamous. I've been wanting to try this for a while. Last time I tried buying it, he ran out. And then I didn't hear nothing about it till now. Wow. Holy crap. I'm starting to really leak out of my eyes. This one's about to drop. Ow. Can't wait to not have this crappy this camera. Sorry. Oh, soon I'm look into getting the VIP. I can't wait for the shirt. That would be so cool for the shirt. Probably be in 2 weeks for that. That's a pretty big thing, but at least I get 2 more challenges. Oh, sorry. Jeez. I wasn't going to do that loud. Finally, I got one. I don't know if y'all been. That is so cool. I love stickers. That is an awesome sticker. Inked Gardener Pepper Masters. Seeds, peppers, powders, tinks. Who are we? Officially established in 2020. Inked Gardener is a small family-owned pepper farm located in eastern Oklahoma. We specialize in growing all types of hots and super hots. We pride ourselves in growing organic and bringing you only the best chili products. Thank you for supporting small business. Etsy and Facebook and Instagram. I don't know. Should we do this tonight? I'm not sure. It might be a tomorrow night. I might do this tonight. Wonder why this screen's so bad. But I'll take a good video and then I gotta send it to my phone and then send it back to this phone and then it'll be normal. I don't understand it. It's weird how I figured it out, huh? I hate the new technology. It's so much worse. I remember I used to like make my own websites, man. I'm really excited about this one. This is still in the plastic. Yeah. Oh, I did order some more. We got some more Millers on the way. We're getting this heated up. Oh, we won. Or not won, but we did it. So yes, I'm going to see what this video looks like. I kind of don't like it. But thanks for watching, Chris. And as always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.